Let me walk you through the project demonstration of Vocali, a multi-tenant AI customer support platform which provides an embedded chat and voice widget that organizations can put on their websites to act as an autonomous first-line support agent. It connects directly to a human-operated dashboard, so if the AI ever gets stuck, it can instantly escalate the conversation to a real person. Let's try to log in. For authentication, we rely on Cloak. Since this is a B2B platform, Cloak's organizations feature help ensure that when an operator logs in, they are strictly logged into their own company's workspace and billing, keeping the customer data completely isolated. Here, I've already subscribed to the Pro plan so that I don't have to be gated behind the Pro features if I'm a free user. As for the database, we are using Convex. Our backend and database are powered by Convex. So this is a crucial thing because it makes our app real time by default. The second a customer sends a message in the widget, the AI replies. Convex pushes that update to the operated dashboard instantly and without any manual refreshes or complex WebSockets at all. Let's try to do that. So this is the operator dashboard that our operators will be able to see. We have the conversations, we have the knowledge base, the data that we'll be training our AI on, widget customization, the customization settings for our widget application, the integrations, the voice assistant, for which we'll be using VAPI to let customers literally talk to the AI. So we've integrated VAPI into the widget so customers can click a button and have a real-time voice call with the AI support agent. There we go. So if you choose to showcase voice agent, right, you'll be able to see that in the widget and these features will be enabled. We've configured everything via WAPI, so you can have your databases, basically a collection of the data that you want the AI to be trained upon, the type of AI that you want, your model, your voice, the messages that should be visible when an AI is speaking to the customer. You can also have some test talks if you want to. So I've chosen an assistant over here and I've also configured some of the tools. So if you want to learn more about these, you can just go to WAPI's documentation and you'll be able to figure that out. As for any errors that may occur during the process or in the backend, we are using Sentry. Sentry will keep an eye on the backend and if any error pops up, Sentry will handle that. All right, let's test the widget now. So we have our operator dashboard here and we have our widget over here. For accessing the widget, what we need to do is that we have to go to the integrations. We have to copy our organization ID and go here, right? We can probably do this way. There we go. So what it's going to do is that it's going to open the widget application with the organization ID appended to it. Now let's try it. Let's try to have a text-based chat first. We have some of the options here which can be chosen. Okay, I need to check my account balance. Let's do that. So AI is going to think for a while. All right, I found balances and knowledge bases, but I don't know which account you want to check. Okay, let's do 5678 for the bank account last 4 digits maybe. Let's see. There we go. We have everything here. All right. Now we can see the conversation here in the operator dashboard. It says that we are talking here and I want to check my account balance. Okay. What if they want to talk to a human operator? Currently it's unresolved. Okay. We can see it on the operator dashboard. Let's say I want to talk to a human operator. I want to talk to a human operator. I'm going to turn off this flag over here. There we go. Now it's going to escalate it. Okay, the AI escalated the conversation to a human operator. It went from unresolved to escalated. Hi there, how can I help you? I'm just going to make some typos and we can use the functionality of AI to enhance our response. Then we can directly talk to the customer and they'll be able to see. Okay, my question has been resolved. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Right now, we've sent this message to the operator dashboard. As soon as we mark the conversation as resolved, We won't be able to type, the operator won't be able to type here, and the customer won't be able to type either. So that's a win-win situation. We can have the conversations as escalated. We can have the conversation as resolved. We are using these filters like this, right? So there's that. As for the knowledge base, you can add the documents that you want your AI to be trained upon. It could be anything. You can choose a document and upload them. For the widget customization, you can change the text that you see here. You can change these suggestions. So I've put them. You can also change the voice assistant and display phone number there if you have configured that in WAPI. As for integrations, you can integrate this project as it seems like in the widget application on your website. I can show it to you. Let's say I've added this script on my website. So this is how it's gonna look like. It will showcase over here. It'll be over here where you can talk to a customer. Let's say I'm going with Himanshu at gmail.com. This is how it will look on our website. So they can see the widget over here, and it's how it's gonna look like. They can directly talk to the AI. They can call us if they want to. They can start a text chat if they want to. Right? This is how it looks like. With that done, let's do this thing. Let's go to the WAPI. So we have connected our WAPI account here. We can see the phone numbers associated with our account. We can see the AI assistants which are associated with our account. Now, what we can do here is that we can go and start speaking directly with our AI. Now, one thing that I want to clarify is that the AI agent is powered by OpenAI and Convex AI agents. So instead of hallucinating, they use a RAG to dynamically search the company's uploaded knowledge base before answering. So we gave the agent tools. We have configured tools inside. So if it doesn't know an answer, it can autonomously trigger an escalation to hand the chat off to a human. So that's what we are doing in the start chat and the chatting option we have here. All right, now let's try to talk to the AI. Let's start the call.
Hi, thank you for calling Vocali Bank customer support. My name is Ashley. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to know my account balance.
I'd be happy to help you with your account information. To get started, could you please provide the last four digits of your phone number?
It's 1234.
Thank you. I found your account under John Doe. Is that correct?
Yes,
Great, thank you. What would you like to know about your account? I can help you with your balance or recent transactions.
I'd like to know my account balance.
Your current balance is $2,534.67. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you so much.
Thank you for calling Vocali Bank. Have a great day.
Now, we can see the transcript over here. We've had a decent conversation with the AI agent that's on the back end. And if we are not satisfied with the experience that we are having, we can always have it escalated to a human operator, or the AI will transfer the call to a human operator. So this is the gist of the project, that you can start a chat with the AI which has been trained upon the database that you have given to it. Basically, the data like your account information, your product information in a nutshell, and AI will answer questions according to that. And if it's not able to answer any of those questions, or if the human is frustrated, or the tone is in a frustration uh, temperament, they will be able to talk to humans. The AI will automatically process the natural language flow that's coming in, and they'll be escalated to a human operator. All right, that's it. So we have conversations where the operators will be able to see the conversations that has happened with people. They'll be able to see the name, email, device information, location, language, and session details of the customers they are talking to. We have knowledge bases. We have widget customization where we can configure the widget. And if we choose none here, we won't see the voice call option here, because we have only the chat option. We don't have any voice assistants, right? When we choose them, we'll be able to see them in the widget as well. There we go. We can also see the past conversations we've had with the AI. So there's that. So the widget is completely functional in itself. We have integrations. You can choose any platform that your website is built upon, and you can copy the script and paste it there, right? You can copy the embed script and add the code to your page, and it will be visible there. Voice assistant is there with the help of Vapi, and we have the plans and billing which are featured by Clerk. Thank you.